be honest.
I have a man.
No.
Before it starts, whatever, get sharp.
I'm a construction worker, as you can see. So, what's good, my people? It is your boy Advice Moko, and the boy who So that's the boy, always been the boy, and I'm back again with another banger. You feel me? I'm back again with another video, guys. So basically, in today's video, as you saw by the thumbnail, read by the title, today's video is all about that, man. Yeah, I'll be approaching girls as a construction worker just to see if they're gonna accept me or not. Know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, if you're new to the channel, please hit that sub button, subscribe, like, comment, do all this good stuff, man, and make sure you press that notification button so that next time I drop, you get it. Know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, without any further ado, let's get into the shit. Hi, hello. How are you? I'm fine. Why? Oh, by the way, my name is Advice, isn't it? What?
Tell ubuzi.
Yeah.
SA Queens ngiyifuna kweliphica.
You
Mawuphuma so, mawuzojika, uzolibana naye, ngosister because,
Why are you surprised when I'm telling you my name is Advice?
advice,
Actually, can you wait? Because I'm actually going that direction. Can I just like get 2 minutes?
Umbrella sky, language you have.
Language jaga. Wala last page.
You are the
King, you go last go. In town shop. Maraganong. Let the speed is not better. So most of the time I rather use English.
It's okay.
Yeah. So but we also well I was actually I think I was then I just wanted to tell you that you look so beautiful and you really caught my attention. I won't lie. You really caught my attention. I don't know if you mind if maybe one day sometime we can get to link up, maybe get to know each other. We can be friends though, I don't mind. Why not? But I need okay, sharp, not friends. Let's not name whatever we can have. Let's just
Before
go.
it starts, whatever, get sharp. That loyal. If like you say,
Now, actually, you seem like a cool person.
I am.
Yeah, I can tell.
Tell.
Your boyfriend is lucky, by the way. I'm saying your boyfriend is lucky, by the way. You have a nice one, man. Bye. You said your name was? Bye, Ratile. Hi. How are you? How are you? I'm fine. By the way, my name is Advice. What's your name? My name is Advice. What's your name?
Oh, money. What's up?
Ma?
Money.
Mali. Okay, nice name. What does it mean?
Imad.
Imali. Wait,
Like
what
money.
tribe are you? What tribe are you?
Zulu.
Zulu. Wait, for a moment I thought you colored.
Okay, what's up? Why are you stopping me?
Okay, to be honest, I saw you while I was there. And to be honest,
I have a man.
no, I never said anything about that. It's not. Hi, hello. How are you? Sorry, but my name is Advice, wasn't it? But my name is Advice, wasn't it? Info. Nice to meet you, Info. You look so beautiful, by the way. I'm not gonna waste your time there. To be honest, I saw you while I was there. And I'm not gonna lie, you really caught my eye. I was like, let me just come introduce myself because I find you so attractive. You
I'm
might,
gonna ask you how old are you?
how old
But
are
I'm not the age that you're probably thinking.
just because it's all. Okay, take a guess. How old do you think I am?
You look 19.
Nah, I'm actually 22.
That's not 22.
I'm 22. I'm turning 23 August 25th.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, how old are you?
26.
26. But age is not really...
It's not, but the way it is.
Okay, how about I just get your numbers, then we're gonna talk about it. No. Nah, it's okay. You have a nice one, man. Bye. Hi, hello. Hey, how are you? I'm fine. By the way, my name is Advice. What's your name? By the way, my name is Advice. What's your name?
Advice.
Yeah.
Halalelo.
Halalelo. Halalelo. Wait, what tribe are you? Tswana. Yeah, I can say. You look so beautiful, by the way. Why are you waiting here? How would you visa? Yeah?
Waiting for somebody.
Oh, you're waiting for someone. Okay. To be honest, I saw you while I was down there, and I thought I should come introduce myself because I found you attractive. And so, I don't know if like you mind if maybe one day sometime we can get to link up, maybe get to know you better. Nothing hectic.
Where do you live?
Where do I live? I live in Attractive. Where do you stay?
I stay in West Sweden.
Westview.
In West Sweden.
Westview.
Yeah.
Oh. Why am I here?
Yeah.
Oh, actually working on this other project. I'm a construction worker, as you can see. So working on this other project. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm here for now. So you don't mind if I get your numbers, right? You don't mind? But you should have at least stayed there.
Wait.
It's not you.
No, but I'm cool.
Cool. Okay. Right. No problem. I guess we'll talk then.
So your name is Advice, right?
Is that what?
Your name is Advice.
Yeah, my name is Advice. Why are you surprised?
I'm not surprised. I want to keep it when you text me. I know I'm talking to you. I'm not
Oh. Actually, you're not the first one to be like is your really, like is your name really Advice?
surprised. It's not even a bad name.
It's not really a bad name, but it's just like, it's kind of red, like to a point whereby people are not used to it.
Yeah, it is.
But anyway, I guess I'll text you now. Bye. So yeah, guys, me approaching girls as a construction worker, it was just me showing you that not every hand is into money like that. I'm not saying people who does construction, they don't have money. They do have money. It's just that some people, they look down on them. You know what I'm saying? So it was just me showing you guys that no matter what you are, bro, no matter what you are, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you're a security guard, you construction worker, you work at the cleaning company, you do whatever and whatever. It doesn't matter. If someone is into you for who you are, not for whatever you do, not for whatever you have. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, I know some girls are crazy like that. They're into you guys because of money, because of like the work you guys do. I mean, bear in mind, it can be like, let's say, what can you say? Let's say a teacher, for example. Someone can be like, there's girls I know that can be in a relationship with you just because you are a teacher. Bear in mind, you're not even giving that hands the money, the coins, but then they can just be with you just because you're the teacher. And I'm saying, so yeah, man, what I just wanted to show you guys just that it doesn't matter. It's just that it doesn't matter what you are. If you feel someone, you're gonna go for that person. And so there are genuine people outside who will like date you for who you are, not for whatever you have. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, man, let's get back into the video. My name is Akash. What's your name? Good to meet you. Are you baby?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. But to be honest, I think that I was online. You look at me. So I was like, let me just come introduce myself because I find you so attractive. I don't know, you mind if maybe on the same time we can get to link up, maybe get to know you better?
Nah.
You mind? Okay, so I may have a nice one. Bye. Hi, hello. How are you? Keshap. I'm actually looking for ShopRite around here. Do you know where I can find it? Because like we actually work in that side, so like someone sent me cashback, so I need like
ShopRite.
Yeah, just to take out the money.
Okay. From a straight. You're gonna turn right. Go up. Here's what I like this thing, ne?
Yeah.
Then move on, you're gonna go straight. Which I want to shop right on your left because you look straight.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Thank you. Anyway, you look so beautiful. What's your name?
Thank you.
Teho. Wait, hold on, Teho.
I need to go to the office.
No problem. Hi, hello. Can I please ask some? Actually, working on this other project side. So, like, right now we're on break and I'm looking for ShopRite. Do you know where I can find ShopRite by any near around? Okay, no problem.
Sa taking on my back, I come all about with the pillow mata. Sorrow my last jacket, and at the car, Paritiva Pata. Ratana di Trata, Renagadi, Lotsonzo Peta Mabaka. Dark side 36.